Today we have to start few questions. Today we have to solve actually. Yesterday, first question we have solved. Screen is presented. Everybody, can you see the screen? Not you people. I'm asking to online one. Okay, and voice is also clear. Okay, so now question number three we have started of third exercise, and the first question was completed. So we'll go towards the some upcoming questions. Second question, as you can see here, larger of two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Find them. This type of questions can become in 3 marks. And generally, it will not twist, but it can be twist. Okay, so two angles are there. Larger of two supplementary angles are written. Okay, supplementary angles. What is supplementary angle? Complementary and supplementary, if you remember. But what 180 degree what? Sum of two angle if 180. So that is supplementary. Everybody write down. If sum of two angle is 90, then it's called complementary. Sum of two angle, okay? Sum of two angle is 90. Everybody will write sum of two angle is 90. So that is complementary. If sum of two angle is 90, so it is complementary. Sum of two angle is 180. If 180, then that is supplementary angles. So here two angles are there whose sum is 180 degree. Okay, so it will be your first condition, because here if you will try to make equation, then only one equation you will be able to make, because just one condition is given. See here, the larger of two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. So just one condition is given, so obviously one equation will form. One equation, two variables, answer will not come. So first we'll write. Okay, so first we'll write, let assume smaller angle is equal to x and bigger is y. One will be smaller, one will be bigger. Okay, obviously. Okay, so we'll write, let assume smaller angle is equal to x. આમાં થોડું ચોંટે છે ને. Smaller angle is equal to x, bigger, otherwise larger you can say. Bigger angle is equal to y. Okay, so actually we can not write as per first condition, but obviously that is supplementary term, so that we can write, okay, x plus y is equal to 180. This is your first condition. દેખાય છે ને ફોન્ટ? ભાઈ કાલથી નહીં એટલી બધી વાર લાગે. વાર online or offline, let me tell you that, because for last 2 days we were set up this, because now parallel we have to run the class, so that by tomorrow class will start on 9:40. Okay, don't consider 9:30. It is very much hard to start on 9:30, but on 9:30, okay, it will not late more than 9:40. આજે બધું સેટઅપ થઈ ગયું એટલે 2 દિવસથી બહુ વધારે લેટ થાય છે, બટ બાય ટુડે ઓકે ઇટ વિલ સ્ટાર્ટ ફ્રોમ 9:40. ઓકે, નાઉ x plus y is equal to 180, that is written. અને તમારે કદાચ હું કેવું ભૂલી જાવ તો આવી જ જવાનું. ઓકે, 9:40. Okay, not on 9:30. And now, as per given condition, larger of two supplementary angle exceeds smaller by 18. Okay, what it mean? What is the interpretation of that? Larger of two supplementary angles. Larger angle is
Bigger 80 degree bigger than smaller.
yes. It means that larger angle is okay here larger otherwise bigger. Okay, which is the larger? That is y is the larger. Okay, so y is equal to actually you should write as per given condition. I haven't written here. I forgot, but you have to write as per given condition. Okay, y is equal to what will write y is equal to
X plus 18.
x plus 18. So if you simplify, so you can write y minus x is equal to 18. Therefore, sign every otherwise equal to sign should be there. Okay, so if we write in proper manner, so we should write minus x plus y is equal to 18 because first x will come, then y will come. Okay, so this is our second equation. First is x plus y is equal to 180. Second is minus x plus y is equal to 18. Okay, now tell me what to do. 1 minute. Somebody is trying to come. Okay, tell me. Elimination. So sign will change or it is not no change. Okay, somebody is saying no change. Yes. What do you say? X. Okay, x and minus x directly cut. There is no change. Not required to change the sign. 1 minute. 1 minute. Not high. Okay. So x is cut now. Y plus y is 2y. Shh. Y plus y is 2y is equal to 180 plus 18. So 198. Okay, because sign we haven't changed, so it will obviously add. Okay, upside 180 is written, downside 18 is written, both are plus, so obviously it will add. So 180 plus 18, 198. So y is equal to 198 by 2. So y is equal to 99 degree. Okay, and here also you should mention degree, here also you should mention degree, because these are the angles. Okay, and angles will be in degree. મજા આવે ને આવી રીતે એટલે જ આ બધું કર્યું. Okay, so y is equal to 19 degree, and now x, how you can get value of x in any equation. Okay, so suppose
180 minus 99.
yes, yes. So let's substitute value of y in equation number first. So
180 minus 99 to make it x.
હા પણ એ દેખાડવું પડે ને કાંઈ મન ફાવે એમ થોડું કરી નખાય. Okay, you should substitute this value of y in either equation number first or in equation number second. So x plus y is equal to 180. X plus y is 99 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 99. So x is equal to 81 degree. Okay, don't forget to write degree. This is your answer. X is equal to 81 degree. Okay, in this manner you should write. Proper presentation is required. You don't have to write like in this like arrow. Okay, y arrow 1. You should write properly. Let's substitute well. How પાછળ મોકલી દેશો મોટું ન ખોલતો. You should write let's substitute value of y in equation number either 1 or 2. So this how in this manner we can get the value of x and y. I don't think that question is that much hard. I think this is easy question. Really, is it hard or is it easy question? Okay, so easily you can solve this type of questions. Okay, done everybody. So that we can go ahead. Next is okay. The coach of cricket team buys 7 bat 6 balls, 3,800 rupees. I don't think that is the same question. This type of questions numbers are I think different. I don't remember properly, but numbers are I think different.
Price alone.
Yes, price means numbers are different. Okay, then also let us see because the same question again they will not give now obviously textbook same question again they will not give you. Okay, so at that time we haven't got the value particular value of x and y, but in this question we'll get value of x and y. Means ball and bat. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. Okay. 7 bat 6 balls, 3,800 rupees. Yes, just એટલે જો આમાં થયું એવું કે આપણે ભાઈ આ ગઢવી અને સચિન સર બે ગયા ક્રિકેટની પેલી જસ્ટ શોપ હોય ને ત્યાં 7 bat and Sachin sir હો ભાઈ પૈસા 7 bat and 6 balls 3,800 rupees Sachin sir has paid. ઓકે આ તો she છે ભાઈ. હાલો ભાઈ એઝ્યુમ કરો કે લેડી woman empowerment. Okay, so that people have used this type of word. Okay, woman empowerment. Okay, some lady teacher. Okay, she has paid 3,800 rupees. Then again પછી થોડુંક પાછા ભૂલી ગયા અથવા તો બીજો સ્ટોક લાવવાનો છે. 3 bats and 5 balls. Again she has paid 1,750 rupees. પછી કાળુભાઈ હિસાબ લાગ્યો. Okay, so we'll assume x is equal to we'll assume હું બોલતો સર કોઈ નહીં બોલો નકર ક્લાસમાં નહીં આવજો. X is equal to bat means x rupees, huh? See, this type of small things will make you perfect, otherwise it will cut your marks. Okay, don't directly write bat is equal to x. Okay, bat is equal to x rupees you should write. Let assume, actually you should write in proper manner. Let assume bat is equal to x rupees and ball is equal to y rupees. And now as per given first condition, in this type of question very much easy to make the equations but little bit confusing to solve it because numbers will come somewhere in big manner. So as per first condition, yes, x plus y, not x plus y, but 7 because that is x. Okay, so 7x plus 6y is equal to 3,800 rupees. The next one is okay. Now I'm not writing as per second condition. I'm not writing, but you have to write. 3 balls means 3 bats means 3x plus 5y is equal to 1,750 rupees. Now see, problem is that if you see first and second both equations, so if you will directly multiply any equation, so you will not get the coefficient of other equation. Means 7 will not be 3, 3 will not be 7, never. It will be never. As well as 6 will not become 5, 5 will not become 6. Then what? Multiply. Huh? એમ ન કરાય એમ ન આવે. સપોઝ યુ હેવ મલ્ટીપ્લાઈડ બાય 2. નાઉ લિસન, આ ભૂલ થશે એક્ઝામમાં, ધ્યાન રાખજો. સપોઝ યુ હેવ મલ્ટીપ્લાઈડ એની ઇક્વેશન બાય 2, 3, 4, 5 without applying any logic. Okay, so numbers will not come same. If you want to try, then you can try. Okay, online anybody, Sohil or how many are there? Okay, yes. હા, બધું થાય. Yes, that is the logic. You should multiply with each other. Cross multiply means, see here, for example, suppose if you want to remove x, you want to remove x, see on the screen. Everybody's focus should be on screen. uh, if you multiply, if you want to remove x, okay, if you multiply here, see 3 is given, here 7 is given, so 7 you multiply with 3 means this first equation, full equation, you should multiply with 3. Focus on pointer. First equation multiply with 3, so here 21x will come. 7 into 3, 21x. Second equation you should multiply with 7 because 7 is upside. Now you should multiply with 7. So again 21x will come, and after changing sign you can cancel out that. Okay, now suppose you want to eliminate, otherwise cancel out y. Okay, so as Sahil said, now 6 here and here is 5. So 6 you should multiply with 5 and 5 you should multiply with 6. Okay, one type of it's called cross multiplication. તો આન્સર આવે. એવું નહીં કે ઇક્વેશન નંબર ફર્સ્ટ ને 2 થી કરી નાખ્યું, સેકન્ડ ને 3 થી કરી નાખ્યું, એમ કોઈ લોજિક નહીં લાગે. ઓકે, સો with each other you should multiply. So I will, as per your convenience, you can eliminate any variable. Now I will eliminate, yes, એવું કરવું એટલે જોઈએ. Okay, now I will multiply this equation by 3. See why I have multiplied by 3. So 7 will become 21. This equation I will multiply by 7. આને આવી રીતે કહેવાય. Okay, multiplication with each other. Okay, multiplication with each other. Yes, multiplication with each other. Okay, so two new equations we will get. 7 3s are 21. Okay, 21x plus 6 3s are 18y is equal to 3800 3s are 11,400. Okay, તમે તમારી રીતે multiplication કરી નાખજો. 11,400 will come. Okay, now below side equation is going to multiply by 7. So again 3 7s are 21x plus 7 5s are 35y is equal to, okay, then 0 12,250. Okay, if you multiply with this number, so 12,050 આવ્યું ને, to 12,250. Okay, now you have to change the sign. Okay, and as per rule, everywhere you have to change the sign. Okay, so it will become minus minus minus, and 21 plus and minus we will cancel out. Got it how I have cancelled out these things? Is it clear? Okay, now 18y minus 35y minus 17y is equal to, okay, here subtraction, how much it will come? 0 5 1 9 1 1 1 minute, 1 minute, just a minute. अरे एक मिनट, एट फिफ्टी विल कम माइनस. Okay, subtraction करना अच्छा तुम्हारे. Minus 850. Okay. So minus minus will cut from both side. Okay, both are minus sign. Minus 17y is equal to minus 815. So minus will cut from both side. So 17y is equal to 850. So y is equal to, huh? It is not required to change sign every time, everywhere. If the same signs are there, then only we have to change the sign. See, previous question, see. 1 meter. See here already x and the below side which x is given. Already it was opposite sign. Already it was opposite side. First x was plus and the below side x, that is already it was minus. So that plus and minus I have cancelled out. But here, see in this question, 21x and 21x, both 21x, both are plus. And obviously plus and plus will not cancel. Plus હોય બંને તો cancel તો થાય નહીં કોઈ દિવસ. Okay, so that I wanted to make it minus. Plus ને minus કરવું હતું. So that I have changed the sign. And as per rule I have to change the sign everywhere. Okay, because in basic format we cannot change.
Why 50?
Y also you can change, but if you want to eliminate, if you want to cancel out y, so you should multiply with 6 and 5. 6 અને 5 થી multiply કરો તો થાય. હા હા સાઈન nah. If you will eliminate x or y, answer will come same only. Okay, answer will come same only. Now you listen. If you will eliminate y, suppose here I have eliminated x. If you will eliminate y, then also answer will come same only. You can try out. Okay. Now this value of y you have to put in any equation.
Y is equal to 50.
Y is equal to 50. Yes, that is 50. Equation number first, second, third, fourth. Out of this four equation, value of y you can put in any equation.
X is equal to 500.
X is equal to
500.
500. Okay. So actually y is equal to ball. So price of ball is 50 rupees. If you will substitute this value of y in any equation, so x is equal to 500 rupees you will get. So price of bet, now you should write final answer in statement format. Price of bet is 500 rupees. Price of ball is 50 rupees. જો પહેલામાં આન્સર નહોતો આવ્યો કેમ કે ક્વેશ્ચન ઈ ટાઈપ નો હતો. બરાબર, આમાં આન્સર આવ્યો. Now again let me revise you. Why here answer is come. આપણે concept learn કર્યો. Which concept? Intersecting line, parallel line and coincident line. Okay, so if intersecting line is there, then only answer will come. Here see, what is the condition of intersecting line? Intersecting line condition.
You need to many solution.
Condition A1 by A2.
A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by A2.
Yes. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Here see, you focus. See first equation. A1 is 7. Okay, A1 is 7. Here A1 in first equation. A1 is equal to 7. A2 is equal to 3. So A1 by A2 is equal to 7 by 3. As well as if you see B1 is equal to 6 and B2 is equal to 5. So B1 by B2 is equal to 6 by 5. So obviously A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Unique solution you will get unique solution, and here this is the unique solution. Y is equal to 50 and x is equal to 500. તો જો એ વસ્તુ શીખે એનો યુઝ આમાં થાય. ઓકે, નથિંગ ઇઝ યુઝલેસ. એટલે આ લોજિક થી તમે આન્સર પેલા ચેક તો કરું આન્સર આવશે કે નહીં આવે. બરાબર. Okay, so this was the third question, and fourth question. This is the last question for today. Question number 4, last question for today. So many examples are given this type of, and practice work I have given to one student. I think to Raghu. Practice work. Have you? Do you have practice work? I have given to you. Do you have practice work or 10th grade? I have given to you. है ना? Right now with you. अत्यारे नहीं means you have. Okay, so you can share. Yes, you can share with your friends because this type of so many questions are given. This type of so many questions are given. Okay. Okay, next question, last one for today. Shh. Keep silence. Last question. Taxi charges in a city consist of fixed charge together with the charge of the distance covered. જો કોઈ ટેક્સી હોય તો થોડોક ફિક્સ ચાર્જ હોય અને થોડોક ચાર્જ હોય પર કિલોમીટર. નકર મારી જેવા એવું કરે કે 1 કિલોમીટરના માનો 10 રૂપિયા હોય તો અડધો કિલોમીટર તો મફતમાં ફરી લે ને એમ ઉતરી જાય કાલો ભાઈ આવજો. એને મોંઘું પડે. બરાબર. એટલે એ લોકોનો ફિક્સ ચાર્જ હોય અને પછી પર કિલોમીટર હોય. તો મતલબ ફિક્સ ચાર્જ એટલે સપોઝ 20 રૂપીસ હોય. સિટી એરિયામાં એવી રીતે હોય. આ ઉબેર ને કુબેર ને ડુબેર ને બધા એવું કરે. ઓલા ને ઉબેર ઓલા 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 એ બધાને એવો ફિક્સ ચાર્જ હોય. Okay, so there is some fixed charge. Means suppose you have just travel 100 meter only. 100 meter એટલે કાઈ ન કહેવાય. બરાબર. અહીંથી પ્રાઇમરીમાં પહોંચો ત્યાં 100 મીટર થઈ જાય. ખાલી એટલું ટ્રાવેલ કરો તો પેલો ફિક્સ ચાર્જ હોય એટલો તો આપવો જ પડે. Suppose that is 20 rupees, then you have to pay that much 20 rupees. Then charge per kilometer. Okay, so here that type of thing is there, condition is there. Now the condition is starting. For a distance of 10 kilometer, for a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge paid is 105 rupees. કોઈ પર્સન છે અને 10 કિલોમીટર ટ્રાવેલ કર્યું, then he has paid 105 rupees. For a journey of 15 kilometer, now some another person, okay, he has traveled 15 kilometers, so now charge is 155 rupees. And 50 rupees વધારે પે કરવા પડ્યા. 5 કિલોમીટર જણે વધારે ટ્રાવેલ કર્યું, then he has to pay 50 rupees more. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? Okay, now one more question is asked. How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? Okay, so now what we'll assume first.
સર પેલા 1 કિલોમીટરનો આપણે રૂટ પૈસા કાઢશું.
Question જ ન ખબર પડી. તો question એવો છે. Okay, everybody wait. I'm explaining to this offline student. Okay, it can be useful for you also. ટેક્સીમાં ટ્રાવેલ કરો તો ફિક્સ ચાર્જ છે થોડોક, અને પછી પર કિલોમીટર મતલબ કે ફિક્સ ચાર્જ હોય 20 રૂપીસ અને પર કિલોમીટર ચાર્જ હોય માનો કે 10 રૂપીસ. તો હું 1 કિલોમીટર ખાલી ટ્રાવેલ કરીશ ને સપોઝ, તોય પેલા 20 તો આપવાના, 20 રૂપિયા આપવાના, અને પર કિલોમીટરના 10 રૂપિયા, એટલે મારે એ ભાઈને 30 રૂપિયા આપવાના. 30 rupees I have to pay if I will travel just 1 kilometer then also. જો આ રીતનો ચાર્જ હોય તો. ઓકે, પછી જો હું 5 કિલોમીટર ટ્રાવેલ કરું તો પેલા 20 રૂપીસ તો ખરા જ. 20 તો મૂકી જ દેવાના એક્શન. Per kilometer 10, so 5 kilometer 50 rupees. So 50 plus 20 I have to pay 70 rupees. This type of. Okay, now the thing is that કોઈ person એવા છે, he has traveled 10 kilometers. 10 કિલોમીટર ઓકે અને 105 રૂપિયા આપી દીધા એ ભાઈને આપણને ડાયરેક્ટ કોઈ વસ્તુ નથી કહેતા ફિક્સ ચાર્જ કેટલો છે નથી કીધો પર કિલોમીટર ચાર્જ કેટલો નથી કીધો okay but we have to us they have given two conditions એને વાતને ગોળ ગોળ ફેરવીને કીધું શું કીધું okay some person 10 કિલોમીટર if he is travel then 105 રૂપિયા આપી દીધા પછી કોઈ બીજા કસ્ટમર આવ્યા એ તો ટેક્સી એટલે બધા આવતા રહે બરાબર કોઈ બીજા હતા પર્સન તો એને કેવું કર્યું 15 કિલોમીટર ટ્રાવેલ કર્યું તો એને આપ્યા 155 રૂપિયા બરાબર પેલા ભાઈ now question is that what is the fixed charge and what is the charge per kilometer
ફિક્સ ચાર્જ 5 રૂપિયા અને 1 કિલોમીટર નો 10 રૂપિયા ચાર્જ.
એવા લોજિક નહીં લગાડવાના equations you should make and you have to solve the equations okay suppose I don't know so first we'll write હા અને એ પછી 25 ના
સર નકર આપણે એમ કરીએ તો કિલોમીટર ને અલગ કાઢીએ એટલે ધારો કે એમ કીધું 10 કિલોમીટર ને 105 રૂપિયા તો એટલે 10x 105 એટલે પછી બીજું દીધું કે 15 કિલોમીટર 15 કિલોમીટર ને વાયદા
everybody see here now don't apply your logic now what I am doing here that you have to see okay now see every time I have said you many times but I cannot understand that why you are not listening what is the question that you have to assume આંખો બંધ કરીને કાઈ વિચારવાનું નહીં what is the question that you have to assume every time in this type of question everywhere in fourth chapter also in third chapter also here see what is the question how much a person what are the fixed charge they have asked us what is the fixed charge we have to assume let assume fixed charge is equal to x okay so I will write here fixed charge is equal to x rupees okay x rupees and next question is charge per kilometer let assume y okay charge per kilometer is equal to y rupees okay now as per first condition for a distance 10 kilometer એટલે 10 કિલોમીટર માં ફિક્સ ચાર્જ આવી ગયો એને આજે 105 રૂપિયા હતા પે કર્યા એમાં ફિક્સ ચાર્જ આવી ગયો પર કિલોમીટર નો ચાર્જ આવી ગયો બરાબર ને so we will write x plus 10y we will write now because he has traveled 10 kilometers so x plus 10y is equal to 105 second equation x plus 15y is equal to 155 and equation banana now is it clear okay now our next step should be elimination to karu પણ how will eliminate and which yes very good sign we will change okay so everywhere we have to change the sign and now yes x will cut okay x is cut now next very good minus 5y is equal to minus 50 now minus minus cut so y is equal to 10 5 okay y is equal to 10 and now this value you have to put in either equation number this first or in equation number second put this value and get the answer x is equal to 5 rupees means fixed charge is 5 rupees per kilometer charge is 10 rupees okay
255 કિલોમીટર
હા પણ એ આન્સર તારો પહેલા એ સાચો હતો પણ એમ હાલે નહીં ને કાંઈક રિટર્ન માં તો જોઈ ને okay everybody got it okay hello everybody you are have you who are online, hello. Are you there? Okay, got it? Girls. Okay. Okay, 10 students are there, and how many are here?
30.
30. 30. 30 students are here. Yes, okay, so you also come because very soon we are going to close our online classes. Okay, we are going to cancel our online classes very soon. So you people also come as fast as possible. Here now you can see your friends. Okay, as fast as possible you come because strength is rapidly increasing. Okay, so you should also come. Yes, like Corona. Okay, then now I'm going to end this lecture. I hope you people understood everything. 1 minute, 1 minute. If you have doubt, everybody, online or offline, if you have doubt in this any question, then you can ask. Any? No? Okay, then just 1 minute, don't leave. Let me mark your presence. Just 1 minute, just 1 minute. Okay, tomorrow 9:40, huh? Tomorrow 9:40.
सर इक्वेशन बनाने एक तो खराब
Method आज होय.
सर
Yes.
बोर्ड में आवाज आ रहा है सर
આ ટાઈપ ના જ આવે બધા. Okay, now you may leave. Okay, now you may leave. Thank you for class.